With FarmLogs Planner, automatically calculate your true cost of production, easily create a detailed schedule for your operation, and see how markets and expenses affect your bottom line. Here's an example of what a completed plan might look like. On the profit dashboard, you'll find a summary of your operation's current financial standings at the top of the screen, in the total revenue, cost, and profit section. Below that, a financial summary by field and by crop, as well as a cost breakdown. The Plan Details screen breaks down your plan by commodity. Before you begin creating your plan, gather your operational information and expenses, like product details, fieldwork information, land costs, labor costs, and other expenses. Gathering this information ahead of time will help you to create a more accurate plan. With your expense information in hand, let's get started. To create your plan, in the menu, click Plan, and then click the Create Plan button for the appropriate year. If you've previously started a plan like we have in this example account, you can click Edit Plan here to make changes now or at any time throughout the year. Here, at the top of the screen, you'll see the 4 steps to creating a plan: Create Program, Plan Crops, Estimate Costs, and Confirm Plan. At any time while working on your plan, you can click Close and Edit Later here at the bottom of the screen to save your progress and then pick up where you left off at a later time. The first step in creating your plan is to create field practice programs. A program is a series of activities that you will perform on one or multiple fields of the same commodity. Start to think through your crop management practices and how you might group them into programs that can be applied to your fields. In this example account, we've already created several programs listed here, with the corresponding activities and inputs included in each program listed here. Let's create one more program, a fungicide for beans program that we can apply to some of our soybean fields. Click Add Program. Choose the commodity that you're creating the program for, give it a name, and then click Save. In this new window, we'll add activities to our fungicide program. Click here to choose the activity type, and then click here to choose the approximate application date. Next, click here to add an input, and then add the application rate. When you're done adding the activity, click Create Activity. To add additional activities to your program, click Add Activity. For this example, we're going to keep things simple and just include the one spraying activity. When you're finished creating programs, click Next Plan Crops to move on to the next step. Here you'll plan crops for your fields and assign programs. Your fields are listed in this table in alphabetical order. To add a crop, next to the field name in the Crop This Year column, click Add Crop. Click to select the crop. If needed, you can add or edit your target yield here and adjust crop area here. To add programs to your fields, click here in the Select a Program box, and then click a program name to add it to your field. When you're finished assigning crops and adding programs to your fields, click Next Estimate Costs to add in your operation expenses. This Add Input Costs section lists inputs that were used in your programs. Add the price that you paid for the inputs or estimate the price that you expect to pay. In the Other Costs section, add your miscellaneous expenses like land, labor, and equipment costs, insurance premiums, and technology expenses, just to name a few. To add a new expense, click Add Expense. Complete the fields in the New Expense window and click Save Expense. In the Revenue section, estimate your per bushel revenue for each crop that you plan to grow. When you're finished adding expenses, click Next Confirm Plan. If any of your newly planned activities conflict with previously logged activities in your account, you'll be asked to resolve the conflicts before saving your plan. When all conflicts are resolved, click Save Plan. The information that you add to Planner feeds the marketing tool, automatically connecting your true cost of production to your marketing strategy, so you can better manage risk throughout the year.